In this video we're checking out the Anker Sound Core 2. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker that's actually pretty decent. So I picked up another Anker product. I'm turning into a right Anker fanboy right now, but I saw this Anker Sound Core 2 in one of the Amazon Christmas sales. I decided to pick a couple of them up. One as a Christmas present for Spawn 1 to have a better sound in his room, and also for a project that I'm still trying to work on that might happen next year, and I think this might fit into that equation, so more next year if that ends up being a thing. So let's pop open the cellophane. So this is a Christmas edition one. I think the only difference is that it's in this Christmassy box. Let's get this off. So if you're not sure what the Sound Core 2 is, basically it's a wireless Bluetooth chargeable speaker. So let's slowly pop off this cover. Nice packaging as always from Anker. And pop this off to, oh, in case it opens up. Ooh, that's very nice. So as you can see here, we have the speaker itself. It's really there's a good nice weight to it. It's quite ruggedized, and it's in like a tactile rubber, which means it kind of doesn't wiggle around too much. And we also have this nice storage case. Okay, inside there is a carabiner, I guess to connect it onto your belt buckle or what have you. Inside we have this little bag that has 3.5-inch male to male jack plug. That's obviously to connect this in if you don't want to be using Bluetooth. And then we have a micro USB charging cable as well. Yeah, let's pop that over to one side. Inside we have the owner's manual, bit of information about the buttons. So as you can see on here, on the top there are various buttons to indicate what is happening or what the options are. So we have the power button, volume down, the play, pause and kind of next track control button, the volume button and the Bluetooth button, and then here what I believe to be a couple of little LED indicators. So let's move this box out of the way, grab the phone, see what this little thing...
That command doesn't work on device phone.
I wasn't asking her. Let's have a look and see how this works. So first thing, so let's go into settings and Bluetooth on my iPhone. Okay, so if I push and turn on speaker, it's on. And then let's have a look. Yes, we've got a steady white light on the end here, and then a blue flashing light for the Bluetooth. And I can see down the bottom here the Sound Core 2 is recognised. I click that. Pairing has been successful. Just whilst that's connecting, you can also use this as a speaker for making phone calls as well. In terms of the output, so it's got two speakers in there at 6 watts, so that's not too bad. The size is 168 by 47 by 56 millimeters. The charge time is around 3 hours, and depending on the volume you should be able to get about 24 hours of play out of it. So the next question is, what does it sound like? So let's see if we can find some tunage. So quick look on SoundCloud, that should be easiest. I'll say on the side here, whilst this is loading up, I think it must have some water resistance involved, because there's the little jack connector and the USB port, and it's definitely a nice kind of bung feel to it. Is there anything in the manual that says it's waterproof, I wonder? It says do not submerge in water. Yeah, there's nothing in there about it being waterproof or not. It just feels rubberized, like it would have some water resistance to it. So, right, let's just pick anything off the SoundCloud and see what it sounds like. Okay, so that is to pause it. Pressing it twice skips it to the next track. So I think it has real good clarity in the treble. Obviously the bass is a little bit tinny due to its size and construction, and probably this kind of table isn't best for this. But I think if you're looking for a reasonably priced rechargeable speaker, 24 hours playtime is a long time. I definitely think it's worth checking out this Anker Sound Core 2. I think it's around 30 to 40 pounds on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. But yeah, another good quality product from Anker. I like it. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.